if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Oh, welcome, baby.
What?
Let's look for Chandler. You go do it.
So, why you come back my house so early?
No, boss said me back home, you know?
Well, just tell them. Nobody will be there. We have a surprise here, yeah?
Oh.
Look at a new style.
New style?
Yes, my one. Brand new clothes, clear.
How you get that from there?
We get it bye. What done?
Oh, you think good, man. So, anyway, we're not talking about that.
Yeah, dinner cook, you know.
Huh?
Dinner cook.
Alright, that one no good. So, you're a good man, you know.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
You know?
Yes. Yes. Love you. Go and eat, man. Why won't I come back in 2 minutes time? I will prepare my body for you.
No, you don't have to be there.
Me not be here. Me say, why not come back now? You know,
So, why you come up, so?
I style like you. Could they? That woman nice. Could they?
That's what I'm telling you, you're not going nowhere. You're still
Me not go nowhere.
You don't money, you know, money. Yeah. Hey, we have one promotion that come up, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And you see that promotion there? I went to
Let me tell you long time in the hurry up. Just, alright, go share the food. I'll come back in 2 minutes. Don't take long. 2 minutes. Like, no have me away. Take here. 2 minutes. One?
2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes. Hurry up. 1. 2 minutes. 1, baby.
1, 2 minutes.
No! That with me. Why? Just listen to me now. Listen to me now, baby. Baby, listen to me. Look for me. Just look for your man. Look for your man. Your man attack. Look for your man. Just go out there yourself with 2 minutes. Not take long. Just go out there, you know, spice up things. You have to make a relationship because it's hotter. Baby,
No,
listen to me. Sometimes
I don't want nothing tonight.
No, we're not doing nothing too much. We just have to get comfortable with our shoulders them and things like that.
Hold on. How for phone is that?
Kimberly left his phone over here.
Oh, Kimberly.
Yeah, give me it. Let me put it up.
No.
Baby, just listen to me now.
No, make a call.
To who?
My boss, no come boss.
Say what?
Boss? Oh, right tonight? Oh, if you come back. Okay, boss. Yeah, boss. Baby, go to the bathroom and see if I see the piece of tissue for me, please.
No, go and feed no, baby.
No, man, the phone.
Baby, just go on in and take walking this. No. Sure, just listen. Go on. Go on. Go on, prep something so you, when you go back, you can do it quick. Just go on now.
Laughing tissue. Alright, yes, baby. Yes, hello. Yeah. Alright, we'll come tonight. Love you, baby. Alright.
No sitting around there.
See, me have to go back bath call so.
Yeah. So you just come and say you have to go back and work, so.
Because you know how we do the night shift and just
What?
listen.
Say yes.
You want me?
Yes, sit down. Sit down, yes, so. Sit down. Tell your boss, say, tonight you're busy. And every night I'll get it away.
No, but this is double. Hey, remember the Christmas cards you want? Me have work on it.
Next year, me get it.
Oh, you want it next year?
Yeah.
Oh, come in.
I just want to spend some quality time.
Me don't plan to buy a push cards, because you know, card them at time of this, really. I don't like that.
Where your boss?
Shaka. Shaka runners. You know the runners them? Rich people, uptown, full of money.
So you have it?
Yeah, if I'm going to lose my job. Come on. But you don't trust me. Listen, me trust you, so you have never trust me. Because me know you're not doing that.
None that.
Right, I know to me marky. So any boy, think them bad. Touch none of my pork. And you will know if a rasta eat pork or a ballad eat pork. Come in and run joke when you come onto my pork.
Yeah, that's why I buy new clothes to cover me up more, B, because I don't want to boy look for me.
Right, and the pork, that's right. Yeah, like I understand what you're talking about. So just relax, and tomorrow I come in, me, I'll make sure it's set. Me have give 2 hours. And we have to see heaven with hell mixed together. Because I don't want to see heaven alone. More I get because of the hell. You see me? Because the heaven was just because. What the hell? Okay, yeah? The phone. The phone? No, the phone. I need the phone for watch time. Yeah. No, not your phone. Your phone good. And the black phone then, you need to touch me like it, yeah?
Yeah.
Cause one know which woman left their phone. No woman not left their phone nowadays.
Later. Me rather know if you left a phone where the man just left. Yeah, you're not coming back until I'm married, so you can come back. Yeah, please. Yeah, come pick up your phone. I want you rather put it keep on the neck, but wait till I see you. Alright, my baby. Later. Love you.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you.
Girl, look what I'm away from you.
You say I will link up tomorrow?
Right now I don't even know, you know, because my mother just torment so he's strict now. I left go nowhere.
You're not saying so sleeping powder and give my mother?
Eh?
I'll just give me time for a sleep.
Girl, but suppose I get in trouble for this.
Girl, you know I get in trouble.
You sure?
Yes, girl, I'm giving my right now. You seem like getting in trouble.
Oh. So, how this work?
So, soup or water, anything you can throw in the room. I just say nobody throw in no water because I'm a police and smelly. Just throw in something flavoring.
Ah. Alright then, thanks.
Alright, later, man.
Yeah, me make you know.
Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Q.
Yo, you know what's the worst thing for a man do? Take up a young girl, you can't wash, can't cook, can't clean. What me I do with you? What me I do with you? I mean hard.
Jerome, want to wash your fear wash and stop making noise.
What me I do?
Jerome, my head hurt me, I can't take it now. Wash your fear wash.
Me I work. Every day I got sight. Really for much bucket. I still have come home to wash my dirty clothes them.
I miss I go lift bucket, come.
And you see they want 30,000 every week.
Yeah, more money. Find a way to get my money.
We can't manage that man.
Wash if you wash,
You live
Jerome.
for fire.
Jerome! Alright.
We can't take this as a man. We cannot come home and wash me cooler clothes them man. We can't manage it. It's stress. That's not normal. Every young girl know to wash and cook and clean and you can't wash and cook and clean. What you hand them? You have to leave your mother.
You know, so I'm not going in an argument with you today, Jerome, because argument here look. I'm
Go wash them.
Jerome!
Yo, wash them.
Jerome, you know, so I'm
Wash them.
I can't bother you know.
I want somebody wash.
Jerome, stop let me know
say
later,
wash.
no.
I say wash. If I stir fry, you know if you stir fry. Eh? If I rifle, I can know if I
Jerome, come wash them.
I say wash.
Me can't brush you sitting, Jerome.
So what you hand them? I say wash. You deaf?
Come on,
But I get nothing to eat, you know.
Jerome, you can't tell me that.
Drink.
You can't tell me that, Jerome.
Move. Me soon left too. Watch me one of the things there. Tell that stress now, man.
Me can't bother with you every day. You cuss and quarrel. Come on, top is what you sit down.
Tell that stress now. God can't say me a proper one in my life. I can wash, cook, and clean. Me can't bother them sitting here, man. Me tell that you know, man.
I know you just feel like.
Give me. You let me brain now.
And I just feel like for tired of me. Wash your face, wash your clothes.
You
Me
can't cook at this
hungry. So alright, wash your clothes and call it was
When
something
I
to
know
eat
rice
now.
stuff, I pee stuff.
So make you cook it soft, and that's why I'm making you cook it, give me for eat. I'm hungry, Jerome, so hurry up.
You say always have a talking say, you know. Cause don't know you say until, you know. Until you lose it, you know. You hear me, I tell you?
Jerome.
You're gone.
Jerome. No, you're not bag a long talking.
I say you're gone.
No, you're not bag a long talking.
Go and haul me tongue and you see where you get out of today.
You're hungry, that you feel no.
You go dead today if you're hungry.
Me lock shop in a door, don't bother with me.
We can lock the bank.
Aye, sir. Jerome, I see you.
Don't Jerome me at all.
Jerome, less talking, more action, I'm hungry.
Go and yam my slippers.
Yeah, your slippers look alike. Pay your face, see your slippers. Hurry up, yeah.
Yes, I can't bother them sitting here. God, please me, I beg you. Send me a proper girl in my life. I need one of them girly. I don't need a Barbie, you know. I need one of them girly. We can cook, wash, and clean. Every clock of the day, this girl got stress me, can't cook, can't do nothing. God, oh, God. Oh, you make them a people answer, man. Why?
I tell you to stop looking at me when you're talking, because we stuff something down your mouth in a Jerome.
You see, just show me no lick, woman. And I put me on fire, you know, and left it to God.
You top lick woman now.
Bless to God.
You top lick woman now.
I don't want to put me on fire because one of them days I put me on fire, you can't get up back.
Jerome, any day you do that, just know say, what
say,
sweet you have a sour you.
One of them days, yeah.
Jerome.
Now go put me on fire, you can't get up back. Man, they have fubly bumble with me,
Hey,
girl.
hey, Jerome, go and go wash if you wash because I'm hungry right now.
You're hungry when you have dirt.
I know that no more.
If me forget something in here for you to eat, you will never get
You them say let's talk in more action because I'm hungry.
What the fuck, more fire to you know.
And you know, so I not move, come on, make sure you done wash and get something to eat right away. I'm not laugh, I'm not skin teeth with the Jerome. Ever you say a hungry man is a hungry man. Alright.
Hungry man is a hungry man. But when you can't wash, cook and clean, he make a sad mistake. You hear me? I tell you, if you're not washing you can't get nothing to eat, girl. You're 18 and look how you're behaving in your house. Eh? Because
Jerome! You know some can't, you know some...
Yo, I tell you, go on. I say, come out. Say, come out. I say, look there, buy a good mattress. Eh? Every day I'm pissy. So top shine. I don't like the girl in my yard, you know. Good, look what the yard do. What the yard? What I came bump down my yard, that's to wake you up. I can't cut our food. Eh? I seen for feel a lazy woman. You buy me matter that you can't read. I know say dunce because you never go to school. I'm going to take you out here, you know. I can't get a proper woman that can wash, cook and clean for me, you know. You hear me, I tell you? If you damn in blasted idea, man, I see a problem. Eh? Me can't bother with it. You're mad, you want mad me, I want to raise my pressure. Which one? I can't bother with it, God do me, I beg you. You can't make it start like no strike and take me life.
Mommy, me done cooking but I want a little bit of soup left.
Okay.
But anyways, can go to the library.
Library again. Money out again.
No, mommy.
No, I can't trust you. What you have to do at the library? Huh?
Homework.
You don't have computer at home. Wi-Fi is there. What you want to do at the library?
Mommy, we just want to go to the library and finish up some homework.
So why can't it be done at home?
Mommy, please, no.
No.
Anyways, you want your soup?
If you sure it tastes nice. Oh boy, give me a second, Daria. So you drink yours already?
It's nice.
How would you just cook?
You, mommy.
Gladiator.
mother. My mother just torment so. Now I left me to go to her yard. When my camera take me off the teeth out.
Alright, alright.
You cook?
But I could have what this. Now you just come in here, come and ask me about if me cook. You know, say you always cook, Jerome. Why you come in and come ask me if me cook?
You don't cook no chicken.
Where you come from?
Today is Sunday, you know.
Where you come from, Jerome?
I come from a rum bar. Can you breathe? Breathe. You see what there? Breathe.
Jerome,
What happened now?
me hungry. You just come in now, me no eat.
Listen.
Jerome,
Listen to me now.
what?
Let me tell you something. I forgot a rum bar.
But
I think
here,
I'm stress. My problem.
you have stress, you have problem?
Yes, you is my stress and my problem because you can't cook. You can't wash. You have to pay people to wash my clothes and what kind of style that I'm
Jerome.
not yard.
Jerome, as I can see water there, me here, Jerome, hungry. Jerome, you know some. Jerome, you. Jerome, me look, hey. I'm hungry, Jerome.
Listen to me.
I'm
You're hungry. That is not my problem. Kitchen in there, food in there. If I want tongue calm, your tongue calm me.
After me not down,
If I want eat flour and butter, you eat flour and butter. Chicken in the fridge.
Jerome,
But I know you can't fry chicken.
Jerome.
You just turn some caramel and eat and go
Jerome.
normal.
is either you go put down the cup there, put down the rum there, and go look for something to get for eat right now. You know how long I sit down and wait for you, brother? I'm hungry now.
Alright, listen now. Oh me, for the work so hard, and I give you money, and me fi come in here, come cook.
Jerome, me got me and me can't bother. I'm hungry, brother.
Man,
Me hungry.
you
Me
don't
can't
love
see
me. You don't
yourself.
love me
So
right
I'm
now.
hungry. I go.
stomach, we can make burger. And Popeyes. And KFC. Because I'm not one of those man who do the fashion food. You live in yam and banana and
Oh, come on, tell me where me now want hear nothing from you, Jerome.
Where you go? Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Jerome, I'm hungry.
If you're hungry, go.
But Jerome, I come for
You want to cook?
water.
You can't steal the rice, go to all of the young girls from what day, when you just want fast food, so. Eh? Fast food, no good food.
I'm hungry. I'm going to excuse me, tell me, I go on the yard.
Tell us, I don't want to play. Block your foot. Hear me? Yo, oh, that body, come on, make me over there, hear me over there.
I'm serious, Jerome.
I know, I don't want to cheat you. Say no best thing for you. Just take a things and go on your mother yard. Call her mother. Call her mother. I said sit down. Hello, that one now can put you about the hospital. You can't do nothing. I don't really understand enough. So when you go to your fast food, anything there. Your mother sit down.
I don't want to hear nothing, Jerome. Why? Jerome! Why?
So shop. I am man in here. I know you are a man. You really tell her, I don't want you to play with me now. I'm talking to you back on me. Because I now wash. It's a pissy dead so. See, let's talk about a new mattress. What will you come up with? Eh? Eh? I don't want you to play with me, little girl. What the fuck? Get up. Rise. Alright, I'm rise up. Every day I see everything. So like, you just leave them come here and
police station, Jerome, I'm serious.
if you go to police station, I'm mad for you. We go to prison, go to 6 weeks for you. You hear me? I tell you. Go with you, you're not going no yard. You go stay here and you do everything. Because when that girl say, if you listen to your mother tell you, say, for her to cook, I want her to clean, man, who don't abuse her, so. You hear me? I tell you something. Go with you, give me some baguette too. What is the baguette?
Jerome, I'm close and I'm not about Jerome.
Look at what is the matter.
Oh God! I'm close, Jerome. Why? Mom! Jerome! Jerome, I'm close and I'm not
That's what I want to do. I ready to go. What is that? I don't, yo, make it easy here now, girl. You know that? Make it easy here now. I can do some pies here. Yo, get your bang walk, you stress me out. Go on. I said go. You don't understand, go. I said leave.
A police station near go for your water.
So girl, I gave mother sleeping powder me did give. I
Of
work for
course.
her mother, you know, me give her night and day.
Of
Every
course.
day, every night. Night and day, night and day, night day.
Of course, I give her a girl. You could have asked that. So, girl, where boy the way say go meet a river?
You mean say I come down here, but maybe we have to go come back one next day.
Seriously, me I plan to swim, you know?
For sure.
Me at least put my foot in the water, you know.
Water cold.
Yeah, water nice too.
Yeah, we should come back one soon.
Well, girl, look for the fish then. Water cool and nice, me not lie.
Well, we should have to choke off. Girl, what you doing? You go up here. Honestly, come.
The water nice too, me not lie. Later, girl, I'm going to look for Xavier now. Yeah. Me see you, yeah.
Nice sleep. What? No, put on my glasses because this can't write. So I've been sleeping for 6 hours straight. But yesterday was my day off and today's my day off, so I got to rest. So how comes? How about Jada then? Jada? Jada? What's that? On my phone. This can't write. She gone with the phone. Oh.
What am I call me for, man? Yes, mommy.
Jada, where are you, Jada?
Mommy, I'm at the library.
You're by the library?
Yes, I'm finishing up some homework.
You're by where? The library? Okay, so you say you're at the library. That's great. Just be safe on the road and stay at the library. Get your assignments done and complete. Yes, girl, you know I can trust you. Don't worry.
And yes, my daughter, my favorite daughter, my only child. The soup was delicious.
Oh, great. Continue to enjoy your soup. You hear me soon come.
Yeah, man, girl. Alright, be safe now, you know. Alright, see you later, love.
Yeah. Okay, mommy, me soon come home here. Love you too.
Mwah. Boy, you the library. Okay. Okie dokie.
My mother very dark and illiterate. Me are not 12, me are 16. She don't want me to talk to my children.
You are not 12, you are 16. Well, the apology there. There's nothing wrong with it, but whether you are 16 or you are going to be 16, me are going to make because them something I can't deal with them something. Them kind of lifestyle and that kind of lifestyle. Isn't it? So, nice seeing you again later week.
Come here, me I want something.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How about you?
I'm doing well. Nice shoe.
You love it, don't you?
Yes, I do. Nice library. How are you, Jada? Nice library. Bye. This is the library site you told me about. Don't read yourself. This way to read. Give me the phone. Just find your phone. Let me see what time is it on your phone. I'm just checking the phone.
Jada, shut up. Okay, so the library location has now been changed. How comes? Where y'all look finding the people them boy up in the ears? Huh? Yeah, big man now. When I'm talking to your face, my child, come up closer. You're paying bills in this house? Huh? Are you working? Listen, from today henceforth, these are the rules. No phones, no television, no friends, and no library. Your library will be this house. Do you understand? No face rooms. Child.
Mommy, you can't drama.
Do not talk to me in that manner. Do you know how hard it is to be working for the government? Huh? To be out there every day fighting crime and violence? Do you know how hard it is to be a detective? Do you know? Don't play with me, child. Don't play with me. And listen, if this ever reoccur, for sure, I'll be sending you down to the station to lock up. At least 1 week. Today, you're grounded. Sit over there now. Sit. I said sit. Rude and feisty. You're paying bills there? No, you're not. But you want man. Spell man.
M-A-N.
You're better. Rude. But you want man. Go library. This is the thanks. This is the thanks I get from you, child. This is the thanks. You don't see the struggles have to be struggling as a parent. As a single parent, as a matter of fact. To be risking my life. Every single day fighting crime and violence in Jamaica. To be working as a law enforcement officer. And this is the thanks. Okay. To be giving me soup to drink. Then I woke up 6 hours after just to discover that, okay, you got the library. A library, oh, the so-called library. Every day, library. Can you spell library? No, you can't. But you can spell man. Shut up! Don't talk to me like that, child. Don't. Rude and disrespectful.
You know, so I like how you box on your boy for me, though.
Yeah, no normal pray that man, you know my badness come down, you know. I laugh with people, you know.
I like that. I say, alright, I did have one little boy here with me. One so-called little boy here with me. Claim to say him a bad man, right? Gunman running on it away. The boy na run gun and the bed and chat about how me figure the gunman some. Yeah, laugh, I feel see a joke.
No, how you saying Ghana and in bed, you see me, but a baby that still mama you have me in your life now, you don't have to worry about them look about it. You see me, you know me a real murderer for a long time, you see me?
So you used to tell me still.
Nobody can this, you see me? I never tell a lie, you know.
Alright.
You know, you come down.
Down.
So, where you cook later?
I'm not sure yet.
Or maybe we can just go out in the road go. Normal, what about that?
You can do that.
Alright, but I'm going to watch out, I'm so forward.
Alright.
Baby! Baby, I'm sorry, you here? Baby! Baby! I'm sorry about what, you here? Baby! Baby! Baby!
Hey! No, stay now.
Baby, we can flash it, baby. We love you.
Wow. Oh yeah, Spanish, sitting whatsoever I want. You got Spanish fly only. Hey, you.
Yeah, we talk about
Come out of my house. Come out of my house.
Baby, sorry about
Come out of my house.
Come out of my house.
Come out of my house. Come out of my house. Don't come back in here. Me a new man, me no want you.
Baby, I love you, baby.
Love?
Baby, I love you.
Love? Love after man, come here. Yeah, chat about the man. And some, eh? Love? What is love? What is killing me? Killing me! Killing me! Yes! Killing! I'm an ex. Give me a tellable. By the time gunman running car, we run gun and grab it. Give me a tellable.
Where the boy come from?
Me tell us say the same boy, me ex. The door is open.
When you leave?
Me no want to tell him, me no want to go kill him now. Come. Come in. No, me not do that. No.
Come, wait. You get the money? You get the money? You get the money?
Take your pants before they leave. I won't you. We forgot to Jesus. We can't come back close to me. I'm nervous.
That's a new thing to you. I mean, a long time, but it's true. I'm not busy about them. I didn't want them, but you know, listen. Good man, you want, bad man, you want, bad man, you get. I can't turn up here and beat her.
But I just sister could at least help her, because you're the man. You're supposed to help her, cause...
Help who? Yeah. When me have no issue, nobody not help me, so I don't need to help she. She must know me did one all. So anything she get, she deserve. Anything she deserve, she take.
Me and the man call you idiot.
Call who idiot?
No, me. No, me. I do me attack, yes.
Call alone, can't call me idiot. Well, anyways, we're not busy about them. Good man you want, bad man you want, bad man you get, make him stay down get him bad man. I know I don't want to see him come at me yard, a ball to me. Say him and this and him and that because me want him.
When for the evening, I have to do something where I was because me and I two talk like one time.
Well, that's a fit no problem, you know. I have nothing against her, no. I have nothing against her, but I don't want him, I didn't want him, but you know, I take tell him, so I didn't get him over to him.
So, what you doing so?
Just sit down and look for the nice water, you know, because water look good, might all take a swim. So, how you reach yourself now?
What I say me I want to come down here, come look at me see you, because,
you know, say I saw my favorite spot to chill too. Because the water does pretty and look nice, you know, you go steer too, but you can't go another ways.
But I take a swim, but my hand, so. The tabby when me a chop, I can't tabby. You're bright, you man can beat me, must lick your head side. You're sick? You think like a Nicky bad man.
You see, true, my sister don't go like say, you know, always make man take on a fit coffee.
I might get into clapping because I never have no man. I don't want a man in my life right now.
I say no. That you say no. Well, you must know still, Nikki must know what she want. You can't choose for her. So she are gonna know what she want. Can't choose for her none at all. So she must know what she wants.
Well, Nikki needs to change on things.
Well, Nikki is always gonna be Nikki. Nikki is always gonna be Nikki. You know she is soft and she love Bali and things. She can't still do it for her man. If she want her man bruise her, butter bruise her, do whatsoever with her, that a for them problem. Because me now go a fear in a relationship. Alright, so you must know how the part they are going to work out.
Man not even right if you have a man in people.
That me I tell the man first time I see him, I tell the man and the man and I say he want to cuss me. But I don't care still, them can stay up there with them man or whatsoever they want because I don't need it.
Dirty now be a dead Diana. And that little gorilla you left me for. Eh? And that little gorilla you left me for. Now be a Zevian. Dirty Zevian.
Who that?
What do you mean by who that?
A long time. Not to say, no.
What do you say about property mouth? Not even one slippers I can't buy yourself, girl.
Me no know her. I swear to God.
You don't know me?
No?
You don't have to know me.
I don't know you.
Look at you.
You know who me?
Who you?
I'm my brother.
Hey, sister, the truth.
No, I'm a sister for
My
yes,
name
I'm a sister for true.
Oh, you're lucky.
No, I'm
Sorry.
lucky.
Step me to go step in your country.
And by the way, me not don't tell us straight if we say nothing between we can happen because
Xavier, let me tell you something now. Me don't want you, you know. I don't want to, because you know nothing to give me. You're good, yeah. I'm never sleep. Forward, girl.
I wish I drown. I drown for drown.
What kind of woman that then you see? You talk about Nikki. You talk about Nikki. Look for your stop life. Mad woman they contact this me. Whenever one thing, man. Whenever does one thing.
Me tell him, me don't tell him say it not gonna work out between us because she's underage and me can't bother with them something there. What happened last time, me can't make it happen again.
So you never know you look at her. She's underage. You could ask her age that way you just get up and look.
Me ask her age, she said she has 16. When it turns out she have 12. Well,
you can't look for that little something and say that at 16.
I say you go, sometimes you have to get catching right. Right? So, where you see I don't know? Because
me a go for my land, not can see your traffic.
Christian, no make nobody take you away here.
But not take me away. Mind what to take for your girl.
You see your maga like Nikki, go on home. It want no blood. It want no blood. You go work.
Girls are going in the water now?
Girl, I'm still going in the water.
So you see I'm going now?
Yeah, I can't believe I was sister.
But you don't worry about them. A lucky girl, lucky because step me go step in her conscience. You feel a joke?
But you too bad.
Bad me too bad. And step me go step in her conscience. It's the only one Xavier name. I should even know more and do a little ugly sin thing.
Your mother gonna work?
Yeah, she gonna work. Feel like my mother never gonna work. So could I do yourself? Why did me that did?
Because
your woman just want me locked down in the house like you feel like I'm an old person. Me young, you know, look at me young, and so me nice. Nice clean girl like me, I feel locked down in the house. Never get used to your water first. Water nice. Water nice. No long more come now, girl.
up? I wanna go. Jada, come here now.
Mommy, I gonna leave me.
Why would I do that? Come here. Oh, I know your face. You're the same one that was with your cousin, the blind one. You took my number. Detective tight old. What's up? How old are you?
16.
Come closer, come closer. It's about to rain. How old are you?
16.
Okay, your parents know that you're on the road?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your mother name? What's the name of your mother or your parents? Who you live with?
I live with my mother.
What's your number?
I don't remember her number.
What?
I don't remember her number.
Where you up on the road? Where you come from? Where you...
Mommy!
Child, stand up. Where you coming from just like this?
Mommy, I come from
Age of
River.
what? 12. What? What?
River.
Spell river.
R-I-V-E-R.
Shut up.
Mom, but you tell me something spell.
Jada, every time I talk to you, it's like a disappointment day. Every single day. What's the problem with a child? And you're a child. You don't want to be 16 or whatever, you're still a child. I have a surprise for you guys, don't you, this? No one see it? No one see the surprise? Come closer. Stand straight.
Mommy, no! Mommy! Mommy, no!
Hey!
Mommy.
Come closer.
What are you gonna do with that?
Hey, Charles. Hey, if I run, I shoot you. Come closer.
Mommy.
Talk to you, don't listen. If you got to say your father leave us alone and have to be struggling.
God, please.
Boy, you're 16. You don't remember mother number. But you remember to be dressing like that to the river as a child with my 12-year-old.
Mom, but that's if we're going to swim.
I know that? I didn't know that. Give me 2 push-up. Push up. Go down. Give me 2 push-up.
Push up.
Bend down. Squats. I said squats. Go down.
I think Argentina is going to win sports, you know, because this other disgusting team drop out. Them call it Brazil, and Lionel Messi is my baller from ever since. So I know for sure I see them are going. I know for sure. I love blue.
Mommy. I can't believe I actually came along at station. And for the worst thing about it, they didn't leave me down there for at least half day. 1 whole day. I don't get anything to eat. I didn't sleep properly. Mommy, why you have to be doing me like this?
Like seriously? What kind of question is that, Jada? Why have to be embarrassing me on a daily basis? Why? Why can't you act like a 12-year-old child? What's the matter with you? Huh?
Mommy.
Mama, what?
You know that I'm young.
And unruly.
I am young. Just please, just hear me out, please.
Please.
Mommy, I am young. And I am still growing. So I'm gonna make some stupid mistakes that I don't even think about. Mommy, at the end of the day, I'm your daughter. You're the one that gave birth to me. Mommy, just please forgive me, please. I promise I won't let this happen again. Mommy, please.
Every time I come on, it's a child. Stop annoying me.
Mommy, please.
Child, stop. Every day is the same thing. Every single day, disappointment upon disappointment. What's the matter with you? Mommy, please. I forgive you 10,000 times. It's the same issue. Why, Jada? Why?
Mommy.
I know you're shedding crocodile tears. Should I care?
Mommy. Please. Mommy. Is this how you want to see me? You want me to go down on my knees and beg one here? Mommy, I'm sorry, please. Just forgive me.
Jada, tell me first. When will you learn? When? Huh?
Mommy.
When will you learn?
Mommy.
First is the boy who's find you, find a river, find a deer, and you what's the matter with you? You always lie to me about library this, library that. Why?
Allow me.
Allow you to do what?
I know I made a mistake. But Mommy, I promise you I will correct it. Just please, just find it in your heart to forgive me. Mommy, I know you love me.
We know this.
And I'm your daughter. The Bible says you must forgive 490 times. So why can't you just find it in your heart to forgive me?
Because I've already forgiven you 490 times, don't you think?
Mommy, please. You want to see me sad? Please, Mommy, I beg you, please just forgive me.
Jada, just stop playing at my emotions. Stop it.
Mommy.
Stop it.
Okay. Sit. You won't forgive me.
Just sit beside me and stop me. Just sit down, sit.
Do you forgive me?
I don't know. I honestly don't know. Because you keep disappointing me. I love you, yes, Jada, you're my only child, you're my daughter. I gave birth to you, so eventually, obviously, I would love you. But why you keep hurting me? Why?
Mommy.
Do you want to see me in pain all the time, Jada? Why?
Mommy, I'm sorry. I am deeply sorry. Please.
I can't even trust you.
Please, I beg of you, Mommy, please. You can't be treating me like this. I'm your own daughter, please. Just find it in your heart to forgive me, Mommy, please. Please, Mommy.
Stop the crying.
Stop the crying.
Why are you crying, baby? You know I love you. You alright? I forgive you. But promise me that you won't do this thing again. You won't disappoint me, because if it ever happens this time, you will not just spend one day in the lockup but your entire life. And I promise you that. Okay?
Yes, Mommy.
If you ever do this thing again, you will not like me as a mother. I promise you that.
I'm sorry.
You sure?
Yes, Mommy.
You sure?
Yes, Mommy.
And I love you. Don't cry, baby. Now you're young, but you don't have to be so dumb. Okay? Alright, let's just go upstairs together. Get up. Now stop the crying. I don't want to see you crying. I'm my only child. Okay? Stop it, man.
Sorry, Mommy.
It's okay. I forgive you.
Yo, who soon come?
Me who soon come? I am natural routine for all go take up to when your woman them a tell us say they might have to show you say. I catch me just catch you know.
How you catch me? How you catch me?
I catch me just catch you.
Rosie, at this day I do.
What me do?
I have man asleep for me here when me on night shift.
No, none tall. And me wake up how long you know and me say, me a go test you. I see type of person you be that me say I sleep on road with woman.
Test who? Who was sleep on road?
And that you do you see you could get take up clothes all that person here run out of your own house.
No, me frightened. Me frightened because me think a dream because me say, boy, what kind of dream this Father God? I mean just start grab so look, you know.
I catch me catch you. You know? I catch me catch you. You see you? That's why man can't trust him.
So wait there. Let me ask you a question now. You say you test me, that's true?
You know long me wake up not even matter than me and go bathroom go wash my face.
Oh, so you wait long time?
Long time. Long time and me say yes.
I not me say your husband at home.
Yes, you see if that's how you behave when a girl them just.
Let me try to show you something now. You see they knock me? I trick you. So me said so no. I take off your clothes then.
Mommy, I idiot. You're dead in your sleep. You don't have no excuse. Ask what you do, you give me bun a road with woman. And I run out of the house when the man to come. No worry yourself. No worry yourself. And I cook nothing for your name. And I deal with your feelings like evening. Think of what you done. Your papi show. I'm going to use the bathroom. Or else.
No! Y'all cheat!
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not